How to change the home screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Ultra or Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on your home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down and tap on Wallpaper and Style. From here, tap on the left-hand side panel. And this is your home screen panel. Here, you can tap on Wallpapers. And you can choose a wallpaper from the features section. There are not many in here, but you can select the default built-in wallpaper and then tap on done. And now if you go back to the home screen, this is the home screen. It is different to your lock screen. Your lock screen have a separate wallpaper, and your home screen will have a separate wallpaper. Now if I go back in here, go to my home screen and go to wallpapers. There are other wallpapers that you can also choose. You can choose it from the gallery, from the picture gallery. You can generate using AI, or you can select a pictures from this graphical section. There are 6 in here. You can choose simply just a color base like that, or you can select a different one. So let's go to gallery. If there's anything in gallery, I can select a picture from my gallery and then tap on done. Okay, then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. So that's how you can change the home screen background wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Edge or Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.